Kamusta? Welcome to Hassel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, thank you for coming and welcome to Hassel's Emporium. So for today's video, everyone, I will be doing an unboxing and a review try on to this bag. This is from a company named Ustarbiz.ru. So see me more in the inside of this video, and this is very most interesting part of this. I will be try on this to my road trip. So we will be going to Jasper, Lake Louise and Banff. That is one of the best tourist spot here in Alberta, Canada. So see me more in the inside of this video. Thank you. And I have additional information to this aside from their sale product or sales stuff to this. You can use my coupon. This is very great deal. On top of that, you can use my 5% coupon I have written above, and you can also do check to AliExpress. We have lots of product in AliExpress too, so you can go visit the website. That might help for your query. So yeah, so you can use my discount card and you can use AliExpress for their more products, and I will put a link below for more information, all the details that you needed, guys. So let's jump into this unboxing. How's that sounds to you? So let's do unboxing to this. Can't wait though. I have all of our bubble wraps to this. Very safe packaging, guys. Okay, here it is. And I have this. This is the receipt. 20,800 Hong Kong dollar, and this is the warranty card, right? All right. Oh my god. Take this off. Oh my god, guys. This handle looks super. Let me check inside. Let's try to open up this. Oh my god. Can you see that, guys? How smooth. It has exquisite quality of a leather with a very fine grains to give it a smooth finish. You can see that. So this is a Satchel bag. The quality is over top grade quality. Zipper slides perfectly. Oh, there's the inside. Okay, open up that later. I have a pocket at the front side. At the front, not the side. Sorry, that was the wrong one. Oh, quality is super, guys. And it smells like a real leather. This seems like made of 100% real leather. I do love the material. Oh. This is beautiful, super. I will give this, out of 10, I will give this 9.9. Oh my God, this is super beautiful. The material, the quality of the bag, and I don't see any out of line stitches at the same time. You can see that right clearly. I have that LV logo on the lock. One more check. Oh, I have that. And another logo name at the inside of this. I'm not so sure if you can see that clearly, but oh my God, over and beyond, this is super. I love this. Thank you so much, Ustarbiz, for this. I will put online. I will put the detail below for more information. A real quality leather. It seems like very genuine leather though. Super fine grains. Materials are smooth finish, like super. So I would give this a 9.9 for me. Like, let's go try this on. See you in Jasper, Lake Louise and Banff.